Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Health Education, your go to space for empowering health insights, its science backed solutions to live your best life. I am Professor Dr. Javed Iqbal FAROOQI, Professor of Medicine, Gastroenterology, and Hepatology, and extremely passionate about translating complex medical topics into simple, actionable steps that anyone can follow. Whether it's decoding your body's natural rhythms, building healthier habits, or tackling myths in medicine, I'm here to help you take charge of your well being one step at a time. We are in a world flooded with health advice, and not all of it is reliable or easy to follow. That's why I started this channel to cut through the noise and deliver practical, accurate, and easy to understand tips to your everyday health. Whether you are curious about nutrition, sleep, mental health, or just making sense of your body, you have come to the right place. My mission is simple: to make health education accessible and enjoyable for everyone. This channel is about you, your questions, your challenges, and your journey towards a healthier, happier you. Together, we will explore science, bust myths, and discover actionable ways to feel great inside and out. So, if you are ready to take control of your health and join a community that's as curious and motivated as you are, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Let's make health education fun, inspiring, and life-changing. One video at a time. Welcome to Health Education. Let's dive in. When you subscribe to my channel, Health Education, you will get an access to this page. Here you see this is the home button. These are the videos. These are the shorts. And these are the playlists. But I'll suggest that when you go to the playlists, you will see different sorts of playlists like chest diseases, the psychiatric diseases, food and related, infections, similarly the hepatitis, endocrine disease, and so many. What I have done, I have recorded my tutorials in 3 languages. The one in English, they have got blue thumbnails like this. And the same content I have recorded in Urdu in the thumbnail of my Urdu language tutorials. These are in green. And the same for those who understand Pashto. I have recorded those tutorials in the Pashto, and the thumbnail of my Pashto videos, these are the red ones. So, whichever topic you are interested in, you may be interested in infections, in diabetes, in hypertension, in liver diseases, in respiratory diseases, in psychiatric diseases, whatever diseases you are interested in, please go to that playlist. And the playlist, whichever language is easy to you to understand, either English, Urdu, or Pashto, you play those videos, these tutorials. And remember that I have arranged all these videos in a way that you start from the zero level and you step by step, when you go to one video, from one video to another, then another, you understand the disease. For example, if you go to the diabetes, so in the first videos of diabetes, I have explained what diabetes means, what's its definition, what are its symptoms, what are its features, how we diagnose diabetes, what are the treatment options, how we start that treatment, in any particular treatment, how you monitor your disease, your diabetes, what is the lifestyle changes which are required for that diabetes. So in different videos, I have kept the same sequence for each and every disease. For hypertension, the same sequence. For hepatitis, liver diseases, what are the common causes of liver diseases? What are these? And suppose we take the hepatitis C. What is hepatitis C? How it is diagnosed? What are its clinical features? What are the treatment options? How the treatment is given? How to monitor the treatment response. So in each and every section, I have arranged the videos in such a way that when you start from the first video and go on and see the all, at the end of the list, the playlist list, you know you have the all required knowledge in an understandable and actionable way. So please, if you are interested, if you want to know about your health, your health issues, or if any of your family friend or relative or known to you is having some disease, so you can go to those playlists and you understand what your disease means, what are its complications, possible complications, what are the treatment options, how you change your lifestyle according to that disease. So I think in this way, I have tried to simplify the medical problems for the public. I addressee in my this channel is those who are not doctors, the non-doctors. For the doctors, I have the separate video, the YouTube channel, and that is the Medicine Made Easy. In this channel, it's completely dedicated to health education for public, those who are not doctors. Even those who are healthcare professionals who are related to the healthcare delivery, like nurses, paramedics, even the doctors, they find this as a useful tool to understand, to make their patients understand about their diseases. So once again, thank you very much to subscribe my this channel, and I wish that whatever I'm trying at, I get the aim, I get the target, that to spread the health education in the public. I'll request you, please, you subscribe to my channel, as well as you share this channel with your friends, with your colleagues, with your family members, and help me in spreading the health education message. And what my mission is to spread the health education, to educate the community, to educate the public. So please be with me, help me out, and help me out in reaching my message to the whole community. Thank you very much. Best of luck. Enjoy the channel.